And now an update on the KGW investigation. Oregon lawmakers just passed a bill making it tougher for kids to access nitrous oxide or laughing gas. KGW investigative reporter Kyle Boshi first brought this issue to our attention back in April following a spike in dangerous cases. Kyle?
The sponsor of this bill admits this is a starting point. Anyone buying nitrous oxide will soon be carded to make sure they're 18 years old. Next, the lawmaker says could be an all-out ban.
We found it on store shelves in big, colorful tanks with candy-like flavors. Nitrous oxide or laughing gas is sold throughout Oregon in convenience stores, gas stations, and mini-marts. It's as easy to buy as a bag of chips or a soda. Just ask, and it's yours.
It is heavy.
I just don't think that people even realize what this is or what it does or how easy it is to get it.
But soon, Representative Emily McIntyre warns it won't be so easy for kids to access. The Oregon legislature passed a bill requiring anyone buying nitrous canisters to be carded, verifying they're at least 18 years old.
Does it go far enough?
No, not in my opinion.
McIntyre, who sponsored the bill, admits it's a first step. She's considering an all-out ban on recreational use of nitrous oxide in Oregon.
There's just really not a lot of reason that I can see that we need it.
For years, people used small doses of nitrous oxide as a party drug by inhaling the small cartridges used to make whipped cream. Recently, though, health officials have raised concern after a surge in dangerous cases. In March, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration warned intentional misuse of nitrous oxide can lead to serious adverse health events, including death. Previously, KGW spoke with the Gresham couple temporarily paralyzed after prolonged use of the gas.
I would just go as far to say I just don't even think it should be regulated. I think it should be completely banned.
Cities and states across the U.S. have passed laws restricting access. Last year, Louisiana became the first state to ban the sale of nitrous oxide to the general public. It's also been outlawed in the UK.
Possession of nitrous oxide, also known as laughing gas, is going to be made illegal by the end of the year.
U.S. federal law prohibits the sale of nitrous oxide for recreational use, inhaling it. But companies can get around that if they say it's for food purpose only. This loophole allows them to sell it legally as a culinary product in smoke shops, gas stations, and mini-marts.
I can't see a reason to have this be readily available for anyone, especially minors.
Nitrous oxide abuse can have deadly consequences. In fact, we're already working on our next story, examining a fatal crash in Lynn County. The impaired driver who was convicted of manslaughter had nearly 80 whippet canisters in his car. In the coming weeks, we'll be looking at who's manufacturing and selling nitrous oxide. If you'd like to see our previous stories on this subject, check out our website, kgw.com, or the KGW YouTube channel.
Kyle Boshi staying on this important issue. Thank you.